this is part 1 of a part 2 video. I didn't realize that iMovie would only let you post 15-minute videos, so that was a shocker to me. So this is part 1 of part 2. I hope you all enjoy how to rebuild Traxxas slash motors after they've been completely bashed and thrashed. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video. And I hope you can all take away something, and I hope it helps you on yours. I did some of this off camera, but I was getting the ESC cleaned because I have RPM's caging over that. Special thanks to RPM for that. And yeah, a bunch of things I'm going to be doing. It's hard to hold the camera while I work, but I think I can try my best. So yeah, this will be fun. Got a bunch of cool things. This is a Traxxas slash. Traxxas claims to be the fastest name in radio control. Right there. Pretty awesome. They also have another company that's powered by them, which is Traxxas, which is entry-level things. So if you don't want to pay a full $300 for a 1/10 scale Traxxas, you can always go for the 1/18 scale Traxxas that is way smaller. And it's way more compact, so it'll fit. So anyway, with that being said, I shall get into this. Alright everyone, sorry for the background noise, but on the last time, on the 1 week special video, that last part, most of my viewers I can see have been watching it for about 2 minutes into the video and then stopping and watching something else, which I'm not going to judge them on that. But if you saw the whole video at the end at my aunt's house, the motor was being gunned a lot. Like, it was full throttle almost the whole time in the dirt. And so it got a beating. I bet a lot of the oil that was inside of it to lubricate bearings and stuff, it all got burnt away or something. So I think it needs a motor rebuild, which a lot of people don't know how to do. But I'm going to break it down step by step on how to do it. So, number 1, make sure you have at least 1 or 2 foot space you can set parts, and make sure you have a hammer or some pliers on hand, as I used to just demonstrate my thing. I'll set them out here so that you can see how we do this. Pliers, hammer, maybe even say a clamping plier, or some of my dad's stuff. You're going to need one of these 7mm for your wheels nuts on your Traxxas Slash. Set that there. You are going to need a 2mm hex metric and a 1.5mm hex metric. You are going to take this, I apologize, go into the wheel, lefty-loosey, and you are going to take your wheel nut off, which most of you probably will know how to do. Take off the wheel. Next, you are going to use your 2mm hex metric wrench on this one, your spur gear on the right, and your pinion gear on the left. Set that there. Alright, so spur gear is here with the clutch pads and everything. Not going to need to worry about that too much if you're running a small one like me. And your pinion gear is right here. They differ in looks depending what you're running. I'm running a 32 or 23 tooth, my bad. 23 tooth pinion gear and a 76 tooth spur gear. Pretty nice combo for a brushless motor. Next, what we are going to do is just set this up. Next, take a 2.5 mil for me For most of you, it's going to be a 2mm. But for me, I have a modded slash again, just putting that out there. Take it, and I'm going to loosen, not all the way out, just loosen like that, my top screw. And then on my bottom screw, we're going to loosen that a lot more, and you'll see that that motor is going to start coming out. You take out your bottom screw, then I'm going to completely take out that top screw. Now make sure your car is flat and not pointing out, or else your motor might fall out. Next, you are going to disconnect each one of these cables after you have these done. And you just got to angle your pinion gear to go through the hole. See you after that's done.